Welcome back to the 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour. I'm Robin Clevitt. Now this is the perfect weather to look after our garden furniture. So teak furniture needs to be cleaned back and re-oiled. I think it's perfect to do this in the summer when you can do it outside. You've got no issues with the oil drying and all the rest of it. So I'm using a circular sanding disc with dust extraction to remove the worst of the old oil. You don't have to go right the way back because the new oil will penetrate really nicely into the wood. So using the circular sanding set on the multi-tool, dealing with these sort of shaped chairs is pretty easy and pretty quick. All I have to do now is give them a bit of a dust off, a hoover off, coat them in oil, and then I can enjoy them for the rest of the summer. Please check back soon to 101 uses of a multi-tool on tour.